Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry, here today with yet another super simple draining and straining hack that makes it quick and easy to strain your marijuana butter or oil after you infuse it. But before I get to that, just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, there'll also be links below to my previous videos on other draining and straining hacks. I think this is my third or fourth one yet, but this one is really smart. Did you know that they make specially sized mason jar lids that have all kind of special purposes? Well, I found a great one. This came as a set. It has a mason jar lid with an oil pourer. That's going to be great after you strain your oil because then you can just pour your oil on wherever you want. Comes with a cocktail shaker mason jar lid here, which is great for making cocktails. We don't really need it right now. But what I loved in this set were these screened mason jar lids. What these were made for really is to turn your mason jar into a sprouting jar. Well, that's great, and you can still use them for that, but what I like to use these screens for is straining my infusions. Now, especially if you made it in the mason jar, it's simple. You just put this on and strain it out, but really any infusion you make, you could just pour the liquid and the plant material into a mason jar and use this method. Now, if I just used one of the screens, it's a little bit big. I think it's going to let too much sediment through. So what I did instead was to use both of these screens because it comes with, the whole set comes with two of each type. So I took the two screens, put them together, put it onto one mason jar lid. Then all I have to do to strain is put that and screw it on. Okay, let's tighten that down. And now that we have the screens on, all that's necessary to strain this out is to slowly pour out your oil. How easy and quick and simple and neat is that? Now I might let it drain there for a while because we were going to want to get out all that plant material. And when I'm finished, I would take off the lid and probably squeeze some of that plant material through the screen. But it's still a very quick, easy, and simple way to strain your marijuana butter or oil using these special mason jar screen lids. There'll be links below of where to get these and also to my other draining and straining hacks. I'll see you next time. Eat your weed.